Most content dies between tabs. Keyword research in one tool, drafting in another, optimization in a third, rank tracking in a fourth. 4 tools, 0 memory between them. Your article forgets why it was written. Your tracker forgets what to look for. By the time it ranks, or doesn't, you've already moved on. So we built Content Studio to collapse the workflow. Live keyword opportunities seeded into your project. Drafts loaded with your data, your competitors, your intent. Real-time optimization as you write. SEO, readability, EEAT intent. Rankings and AI visibility tracked the moment it ships. Research, drafting, optimization, tracking. One continuous loop. Because ranking content isn't written one prompt at a time. It's built end-to-end. SEORCE Content Studio turns blank pages into ranking assets.
Win Search, Win AI Answers. One platform. Start your free trial at SEORCE.com.